Hello everyone. Today we shall look into backup and restore of databases. Here, as you could see in my databases when I have connected, okay, here we have the system databases and there are no additional databases. I would like to show you how to restore a BAK file, which is backup file. Okay, I'll click on databases, right click, and you could see the option here as restore database. I would click on it, and you could see a window popping up here requesting for the database. I'll click on device, click on these three dots which is appearing over here. You'll get a prompt to select the backup devices. I'll click on add. Once I click on add, you'll see the backup file location, which I have the path in my C disk. Okay, local C disk. Here I have multiple backup files, but I would like to show you how to get into this path and how to add another backup file and restore it. I'll copy this path. Okay, I have copied this path. Select cancel. Press window plus R. Windows plus R. When you select Windows plus R, you could see the run prompt over here. As you paste the path over in the run. Okay, paste the path in the run and click OK. You'll see the path over here. Okay, you'll see the path over here. You can open the additional file explorer. In downloads I have my AdventureWorks 2019 database. As I have this BAK file, I'll copy the file. I'll go to the backup path in my local C disk. Okay, I'll paste it over here. As soon as I paste it and go back to my SQL. Okay, I'll click on these three dots again. I'll click on add. You could see that my AdventureWorks 2019.bak file is now visible. I'll click on that. Okay, I'll click OK. You could see that now it is ready to get restored. I'll just click OK. Once it is done, you'll get this prompt: database AdventureWorks 2019 is restored successfully, and you click OK. Once you see here, you could see that my AdventureWorks 2019 database is now restored. So this is how you you restore the database using the restored database option when you right click on it. Okay, now I have this database in my SQL server. Suppose that I want to make a backup of it. Okay, what I could do is I could right click on it, go to tasks. You could see this option called backup. As you click on backup, you could see the options over here, like general, media and backup options. What I could do is I could first I'll remove this backup path so that I'll show you how to add a backup path. I'll click on add. Okay, here you have the file name, or you could choose the destination. By default it would be the backup destination. Okay, in the backup path itself it will give the destination. Suppose that I don't want the backup path, I'll give another path. I'll go to my D disk. Okay, I'll give a name called as some sample database. Okay, this is my backup file path name. So I'll click OK, which is present in my D disk now. Okay, I'm selecting the D disk. Okay, now I'll give the name sample database name. Okay, I'll click OK, and I'll click OK. Here again, select OK. Now your database AdventureWorks 2019 has been backed up and it is completed successfully. I'll show you in my system where it is located in D disk. This is my D disk, and you could see that sample database, it is now backed up. Okay, this is like another backup file. I could remove the another file, but here you could see that sample database is now backed up. I could even restore that file by selecting the backup, by restoring it. Suppose that I create a new database. Okay, I'll give some temporary temp okay t temporary one database dem1. Okay, I'll click ok. Here it is my like temporary database, but I don't have the relevant data in it. So what I will do is I'll right click on it, I'll go to tasks, even I could click on the restore and click on database. You what you'll see is you'll get into the same path as I shown you earlier. Click on device, you could click on this dot, click on add, and here you could go to the D disk where I have shown you. Here, in order to locate the file which I have shown you, click on all files over here. You could see this sample database. Select it and click on OK. And you click on OK again, it will be restored, and it is now ready to get restored. As you click on OK again, you will see that restore of database tem1 is failed. In order to make it possible, go to options. Okay, you see this option called override the existing database. Select it. Suppose that if there are existing connections in the database currently, if you want to close it, you could close it. For now, as I have permitted it to restore, I'll go to general, I'll click OK. Now you could see that my database is now getting restored. You could see that database tem1 is restored successfully. I'll click OK. Here you could see that now once I click on it, you could see that tables which are present in the AdventureWorks database has been like restored in tem1 database also. Usually when you create a database, as you click on properties, you could see in the file section, you could see that there are two files. Okay, one file is dot, as you scroll to the right, you could see that one is .mdf file, another one is .ldf file, log ldf file. This is for data and this is for transactions. I mean log, which is which is present in the database actually. And let us see how to detach and attach the mdf like these files, so that you could get some fair understanding how to load the data through these files also. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll right click on it, click on tasks, and I'll detach it. Okay, I'll detach the files. Okay, suppose that you want to drop the connections, you can check it, otherwise it is fine. You could click on OK. Now as I detached it, you could see that my database has been detached, and the files are no more database is no more appearing. Suppose that I want to attach it, I could right click on it, click on attach. I could right click on databases, click on attach. Once I click on attach, you could see that it is asking me for the MDF file location. As I click on add, you could see this tem1.mdf file which is present over here, which could be restored. Okay, I'll click on this tem1.mdf file, I'll click OK. As soon as you click OK, you could see that in the below section, the MDF and log LDF file are both are available. As you click OK, your tem1 database will be restored. This is how we make backup, we restore the databases, both using interface as well as like by using the MDF and LDF files. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.